So hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are super safe in this pandemic and you are doing very well. So today we will be unboxing the Flipkart Smart Bike 38C guitar which I recently purchased from Flipkart, and I guess it costed me around 2800. Okay, so this was the Tress Rod variant of the older guitar which used to come, and Flipkart actually did a very good job with the delivery. They delivered it in the lockdown, in the pandemic, within 5 days. And guys, as you can see in the video, the packaging from Flipkart was as usual very good. It was properly marked for the fragile, this way up, handle with care, and the keep it away from rain. So today we have upgraded our tools also. From the key back in the video that I unboxed of the Live Pure water purifier, we upgraded to a knife actually, but actually I was holding it from the another hand, so I thought to just skip it. So let's see how was the guitar packed. As you can see, it is very good packing. All the bubble wraps over the guitar. You can see how well they have wrapped the guitar up with the bubble wraps so that it doesn't get damaged even if the box is handled with less care. So come on, let's quickly just remove these bubble wraps. Guys, Flipkart actually used to sell its guitars, the basic ones, at 2200 price tag, or 2300 maybe, around that. This guitar uses the rosewood, mahogany and the basswood, and yeah, this guitar also has the Tress Rod which was not available in the previous version. And one of the best thing about this purchase is that you will get a bag free with this guitar. No matter how the quality is, you cannot expect a very good quality bag with the guitar, but at least they have given. It has these straps guys, so that you can carry your guitar wherever you go, on a camping, on wherever you want to play it. So without wasting so much of time, let's go ahead guys and open this bag and see how the guitar's first impression is. How does the guitar looks? The chain quality was not so good, not so bad. Again, you cannot expect a very good and expert quality product on this price range. It seemed totally fine guys, until and unless I messed up with these threads over there, and it took me 3 to 4 minutes to go beyond that point and bring out this beautiful guitar. Guys, I already own a Cort AD 810E guitar which I left in Pune when I was coming back to home from Pune after the first lockdown. I left it over there just because I didn't know that whether I was allowed to carry so much of luggage with me in the flight. So that is the reason I left it over there, and now when it's more than 1 year, it is like Jag Suna Suna Lage is being constantly playing through my head whenever I sit on a weekend and want to play some music. Let's come up on the guitar. You can see I told you this is a Tress Rod version of the guitar. The first thing I found around the second fret was, I don't know whether it was damaged or what, but overall first impression quality was very nice to me. The action was so low. On this guitar the action was so low. If someone who is watching this video who doesn't play guitar, the gap between the fret and the string is called the action. So this action was very good. I looked through the music hole and I found that made in India lion roaring over there. So the first impression, the matte, I decided there are 3 colors available: blue, black, the sunburst color, and this matte black. I already had the classic wooden color for my Cort AD 810, so I opted this black version of the guitar, the matte black finish. It looked very fine. It is I won't say the best color, but if you are thinking that whether the black on this guitar will be fine or not, means the particular black color on this guitar is fine or not, then you can surely go for it. It is a right hand cut guitar, so if you are lefty, don't opt for this. You can, but you won't be able to play those last frets. Its fretboard is made up of rosewood, where its neck is made up of, what do we say it? Dude, it's difficult. It is mahogany or whatever. It is made up of mahogany, and the body part is made up of the rosewood again. I saw this little fellow playing inside my guitar. I'm not sure whether it is of my string or whether it is extra. And at the end, I found these diamonds. these rare diamonds which we lose so many times. So guys, let's just play a song on this guitar and just listen how this guitar sounds. I'm not very good at singing, let me tell you, but there is a song I like this song very much. Whenever I grab a new guitar, I surely play this song. Okay, so let's just start.
रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, तारीफ करूं उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
And at the end I will play a chord. Try to guess which song it is, okay, and comment down below and let me know. Okay, let me give you a hint. This song is from a Aamir Khan movie, The Trio. Okay guys, so see you in another video. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay happy. Arey wait. I forgot to say one thing. I will be uploading more of my jamming sessions with my friends. I will be playing this guitar, so stay tuned for more of these updates. Okay, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video if you like the video. Okay, thank you.